Again, another collision took place between a Maruti van number TR08V0306 and a Bolero vehicle of Manpathar police station on the national highway at Manpathar market. In this incident, two drivers of the car were seriously injured. According to the details of the incident, again a collision took place between a Maruti van number TR08V0306 and a Bolero vehicle of Manpathar police station on the national highway at Manpathar Bazaar. In this accident, two drivers of the car were seriously injured. The workers of Santir Bazar Fire Brigade rushed to the spot after receiving information about the accident. The personnel of the fire brigade reached the spot and rescued the injured and helped to provide medical service at the right time. It is known that the injured in this accident are driver Birendra Riang, a resident of Tanyani area, and the other is Santosh Devnath, a car driver of Manpathar Outpost Police Station. The police brought the accident car to the police station. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.